This year, while brainstorming ideas for our project, we came across a big problem in our community. That problem was food waste. After researching food waste in our area more, we found that the main contributor of food waste in our area is our school. This is how we came up with our project, Ground to Ground.
Before we go, we want you to think about how you could lessen food waste in your area. We would also like to show you how to build your own compost bin.
To make the compost bin that we made, you will need 4 wooden pallets, 3 2x4s, screws, a powered screwdriver, and a tarp. You will attach it together by lining up the pallets and then putting screws through both the 2x4s and the pallets. Then you will attach the tarp to the back of the bin. These are just a few examples of what you can compost. And remember, you will need both greens and browns, which are your nitrogen and carbon materials, in order for your compost to break down properly.